I am Michael Heidenrich, General Manager of Cycon Group. I've been with the company now for almost 10 years. I handle the administrative part of the business and work across most departments within Cycon Group. What makes a business reach 10 years is no luck. It is structure, accountability, and a team that works at a high standard every single day. That is the culture that we build and the culture that we protect. If I had to go back to day one and tell myself what the company would look like in 10 years' time, I would never believed it. We have grown so much the last 10 years, and I am so glad that I am part of the Cycon Group family. 10 years means 10 years of trust earned. Every client that has called us back, every contract that has been delivered on time and the correct scope. That is what this milestone is built on. I am so proud to be part of it. To our team and to our clients, thank you. This is just the beginning of what Cycon Group is going to achieve.